everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Xoxo, Gracefully Tori, and I'm excited to host you. I hope that you are well and taking great care of yourself wherever you might find yourself in the world today. I'm recording this video on a Sunday after my very first service at church after the lockdown, and I'm excited, I'm charged, I'm motivated, I'm blessed by today's word. Church is not the same as it, you know, used to or should be, but in all things we give thanks, and we're grateful for the opportunity to still go to church amidst this current circumstances. Nevertheless, I thoroughly enjoyed Ruthie's message, and I believe that personally it was tailor-made for me. And I thought, hey, why not summarize today's word and share it with the Gracefully Tori family, and hopefully it will speak to somebody as much as it spoke to me. So I really hope you enjoy. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the bulk of today's message came from Matthew chapter 11, verses 25 or really 28 till 30. So I'm going to read it with you because I don't want to assume that everyone has a Bible or everyone is able to read as I go. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Praise the Lord for his word. Amen. So the title of today's message was an invitation or a call to rest. Kwikuta. So the first aspect that he spoke about is physical rest. You know how sometimes we find ourselves tired and burnt out, or just needing to sleep, or honestly speaking, every single day we need to sleep, we need to rest, we need to give our physical bodies the opportunity to rejuvenate, to regroup for the next day, so that they're able to serve us correctly or properly or efficiently. So physical rest is important. This word says, all those who labor, come and you will find rest. So even in our physical bodies, we need rest. This constant abuse, especially for myself, because I think I identify sometimes as a workaholic. Physical rest is important. The second aspect or element of rest that he spoke to is emotional rest. This word says, come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden. And heavy laden, not talking about a physical weight, but a mental and emotional weight. Worry does not produce any positive fruit, regardless of the situations and the circumstances that we might find ourselves in. Worry does not edify or make that better. Maybe you knocked on a door and you got a no, and you felt like that was the end of the world, or that was the end of your dreams. Hey, la, come, and you will find rest in God. And then the last point is something that I have gone through, and it is where I felt like I needed spiritual rest because I was just overwhelmed. You find yourself in a situation where you're only coming to church to tick boxes. You're only serving in your ushering, in your leadership position just because it's an expectation, and you just need to tick boxes, because obviously if you don't appear or if you don't do that which you've been assigned to do, you're going to be followed up. If you find yourself dry or tired or with a load, even in your spiritual walk, there's a call for you as well. And for you to be rejuvenated in your spiritual walk, in your spiritual life, there's two things that were highlighted today that we ought to do. And they're found in verse 29, which says, "Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest in your souls." So, two things. Take my yoke, learn from me. So, upon taking his yoke and learning from him, you will find rest, you'll find peace, you'll find the drive, and the revival again, in your spiritual walk. And yeah, that one hit home for me because it's something that I have really experienced. So let's take up his yoke and we will find um, all that we need for our spiritual walk. So, guys, I thought that I would share this brief summary with you guys, and maybe, hopefully, just even one person will be encouraged from this word. And if you find yourself in any of these three categories, and you're tired in any way, you will find rest um, in God. You will find peace. You will be rejuvenated and strengthened to get up and keep going. Because as long as there's breath in your lungs, the journey is not over. I really hope that you found this word encouraging and meaningful. And till we meet again, God bless you. Bye.